Welcome everybody. Today's video finds us over here at the Wat Lam Phaya floating market. And what we're going to do is we're going to jump on a boat and we're going to go and we're going to look a little bit of rural Thailand over here on the, what is this, the Ta Chin River over here. It's another one of the wide, lazy rivers that you find in this part of Thailand. I've done this before, but it's been over a year ago or so. And I was over here at this floating market like 4 months ago, and we didn't get a chance to do the boat, so we're over here today. So anyway, let's see what we see. Let's get our tickets, and then we'll go and enjoy the day. Here's the boat that we'll take. It was 70 baht each, and we'll jump on the boat here in a bit and go see a temple and some other stuff. Yeah, so this is the little boat. We're getting ready to go. So we're going to stop at two places, one of the temples and a little cafe here. And we're underway. This is the end of the floating market over here. Yeah, this is a pretty fun little floating market. And tour guides talking. It'll all be in Thai. There'll be no English used, which is all right. Let's sit back and kind of enjoy life along the river here. Always nice. That's a pretty nice place. And it looks like the river is quite high right now. It's the end of the rainy season, so it'll start going down. And believe it or not, this is a motorcycle bridge that goes across right here. I came across that last time I came out to this floating market. It's kind of wild riding the motorcycle across it, because there's just like a metal grate on the bottom. And believe it or not, over here, these are like little farms on the river. So they have the lotuses there, then they have that aquatic plant. And they'll have fish and stuff like that in there also. And this guy's out tending his stuff. He's just paddling along here. Some of the places along the river here. Yeah, this is the Bang Len Phaya, I believe, out here. Yeah, you can see more of the aquatic plants that they're growing here. It's kind of funny, one time we were walking along the Chao Phraya River through all of this stuff, and the old lady that was the farmer, she told me I could just take a swim right there in the middle of her crops if I wanted to. She just thought it was just the normal thing to just jump in the water right there and swim around. But you can see where it's flooded up underneath all their houses and stuff there. Got another guy out here paddling around. Yeah, easy life, pretty slow paced out here on the river. And we're just slowly working our way down. Yeah, the river tours are great. I like it. You can go out here and just see kind of rural Thailand. There goes the other tour boat, the one from an hour before us. So it looks like this is our first stop here. So we're going to be here for 30 minutes. And they have a little restaurant here. You can see the bell tower, all the normal temple buildings back there. All right, let's walk across the little gangplank here. We'll go check out the temple. Looks like the ordination hall over there. It's locked up, has a Buddha here. Then we have the little covered building over here. That'll have all the old artifacts and shrines and stuff in it. We get all the little Buddhas. Have the monk over here, so he'll give out the little water blessings. Let's look inside this old hall, see what it looks like. I have a couple Buddha footprints here. And they're burning the candles and stuff. You don't see this Buddha image very often. They have the Buddha with the Buddha coming out of the chest, or actually he's holding a little thing. And then you can see where they've stuck the gold leaf on. Now the Bodhi tree at this temple is from Sri Lanka. There's supposed to be a little boat museum and stuff here also. Now you can see the main images in this little hall. It's kind of a cool styled hall. It's shaped like a crucifix in here. Has the plaques and stuff of people that have donated. And you can see the gold window shutters with the red border. Yeah, nice little building. They have the little gallery here, and they have the ashes of people that have been buried, and they have the little paintings and stuff, all little murals. And you can see how this has all been covered, and the original building is kind of that lime green, kind of a different color. And you can see what it looks like. It has the Garuda up there. I would say it's kind of just a moon drop with the ordination hall over there. It looks like we can go underneath here. Let's see what's down here. We have a elephant right here above the entrance. Yeah, I'm not sure what this is about. It has little alms bowls and stuff here. It looks like you can just cross underneath. Maybe you walk underneath the Buddha. It has all the little Buddha images here. And this is the ordination hall over here. Just a normal Thai building, it looks like. And a little shrine over here. The Guan Yin. All the normal stuff you see, the forest hermits, and over here's their little boat museum. So you got some old wagon wheels. Then they have the wooden gables from the front of the halls. And they got some of the rice milling machines, and then some of the boats all scattered out underneath this little awning. Yeah, really cool. Come over here and see how they looked in the past. Most of the boats now that you see will be either plastic or aluminum. The wood's kind of becoming a thing of the past. The new ones, the plastic or the aluminum, just last basically forever. All these, they gotta always be fixing them and stuff. This one's quite cool. You can see the ore right there, and then some of the others. That one even has a little sign on it. Yeah, this one's a long one also. Yeah, really cool. And a few of the other little boats. You can see that one there would be needing a little repair before it's seaworthy again. Well, we saw everything here at this little temple. Let's get back on the boat and we'll go down the river a little bit more. Yeah, this is the Ta Chin River over here. Just another one of the wide, slow-moving Thai rivers. And we're back underway, going back towards where we came from. To enjoy a little bit more of the countryside. I think we're going to stop at a little cafe along the way. What's nice is you can buy some food and snacks and stuff like that at the market. You have the little tables here, you just sit, relax, eat your food, watch the country go by. See, they got the little bottles for their little buoys. Just hanging out here on the river. You can see that little boat there is the plastic, it looks like. Yeah, you see how they do it. They stick those pieces of bamboo down into the riverbed, and then they can tie off their plants. Oh, that's cool, the little bird right there on the post. And they'll have fish and stuff like that in there also. You see the bird over there. Finding a few little delicious treats amongst all those leaves. He's busy doing something here. See the water hyacinths mixed in. And all these little farmhouses with the bananas, everything around. You can see one of the katongs from last night. And here we are pulling up at the little cafe. So I think we'll spend 30 minutes here at the cafe also. See the Little garden area here at the cafe, so we'll be here about 30 minutes. Doesn't look like a whole lot to see, just a few flowers and stuff. There's a serious amount of goldfish here. Kind of a nice little water feature and stuff. And some more goldfish over here. So here's the little menu cafe. The special menu. And you can get the little drinks and stuff like that. Not much to see. Now we'll get back on the boat and head back to the floating market now. We're back on the boat, leaving the little coffee shop. Could have done it without that stop, but whatever. Something to see anyway. It's a nice little place. Looks like they do what they call the glamping. Stay in the little tents. Nice place over there. Has the buffalo skulls. But you can see the high water mark is way up there. Yeah, you can see the high water mark on all these buildings here. So those temples, everything else will be completely underwater. And we're coming into the little town here in Bang Len. You can see the little motorcycle going across the bridge up there. Yeah, this is a cool little town here right on the river. Another motorcycle going across. Coming up onto the little floating market now. Yeah, nice little day trip here. Come over, spend a couple hours on the boat. Over here feeding the fish. You can see the temple back behind. And here's their little boats. Make it into the floating market. See where they pulled up here to sell their wares. Yeah, I'll pin a comment to this floating market. We came over here about 4 months ago or so. And here we are, we're back. Let's disembark. All right, we're back over to the little dock, so walk through here and find some snacks and stuff. That'll finish up our video over here at this Wat Lam Phaya floating market, the little boat tour on it. It's okay, it was 70 baht. This one wasn't my favorite. The temple was just okay, waste of time to go to the little coffee shop, but it was okay to go and see kind of rural Thailand out along the river. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and you get to see some more content of things like this that I do. And leave me a comment, tell me what you think. If you've been here, or if you want to do a boat tour, let me know and I'll do my best to answer them if you have any questions. And until next time, from over here in Bang Len area, remember, life is a journey. Until next time, enjoy.